What I was saying could be us.
What's up guys, this is IT Basis YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to activate Filmora 9 lifetime activation. As you can see, you have Filmora that is installed on my PC, and also I have this file called updateregister. As you can see, those two files are very important in this video. So you have first to download this setup of Wondershare Filmora 9. Link is in the description, and the file called update register. As you can see now, I'm going to open my Filmora so that you are going to see it is not activated. As you see guys, here I opened my Filmora, so let's check whether it is activated or not. Whenever we are going to find it is not activated, I'll make sure that I show everyone how to activate it. I'll go to help section, then I go to activate Filmora. Then you are seeing, as you can see, they are saying Wondershare Filmora, it is unactivated. As you can see guys, it is not activated. If I decide to edit video while it is not activated, it will come with a watermark. As you can see here, I'm going to close this. It is very easy to activate Filmora. Just you have to download that file called update register. As you can see, I'm going to close this, and then I am going to copy this file, copy, and then I go to Filmora installation directory. Then after I'll paste it here. As you can see, there was a file named the same name, so I'll replace the file and destination. I'll make sure that I refresh, then after I'll open my Filmora again. As you can see, it is opened now, so I'm going to go to help section, then you go to activate Filmora. As you can see, they are saying your license has been activated successfully. So guys, as you can see here, I'm able to edit video without a Filmora watermark. Let me show you an example to the timeline, and now I'm going to export. As you can see, I'm going to call it subscribe. As you can see, the directory will be desktop. Then I click on export. As you can see, it is finished now to export. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on desktop and check the video that has been edited. As you can see, it is here, it is subscribe, and I'll open it. I'll open it. After opening it, you'll see, as you can see, subscribe, it don't have any watermark. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't miss the next video. I'll be showing you how to activate Bandicam video editor lifetime too. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share with your friends so that they are going to be able to use Filmora with full activation. Just let's meet in the next video. Bye.